Hello YouTube family, let's prevent the solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 9 to power x multiplied by 9 to power x is equal to 72. So what is the value of x? Now 9 raised to power x multiplied by 9 raised to power x, this is actually in the form of a to power n multiplied by a to power m, which you can express as a raised to power n plus m. Okay, now applying this indices identity, this is the same thing as 9 to power x plus x. This is equal to 72. Okay, so this is the same thing as 9 raised to power 2x. This is equal to 72. Now, so for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So that we'll have log 9 to power 2x. This is equal to log 72. Now, we find that log 9 to power 2x is equal to log 72. Now, this one is in the form of log m to power n, which you can express as n. So, log 9 to power 2x is equal to log 72. So, log 9 to power 2x, this is the form of log m to power n, which is n log m. Okay? So, we'll have 2x log 9, which is equal to log 72. Divide both sides by log 9 by log 9, so that 2x is equal to, now we have log 72, in which 72 can be expressed as 8 times 9, which is 2 to power 3 multiplied by 3 to power 2. So we'll have 2x, okay, this is equal to log 2 to power 3 multiplied by 3 to power 2 divided by log 3 to power 2. Okay, so we'll have 2x is equal to log 2 to power 3 multiplied by 3 to power 2 divided by log 3 to power 2. Okay, now from here, log 2 to power 3 multiplied by 3 to power 2, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which is log a plus log b. So applying this property, this is 2x is equal to log 2 to power 3 divided by log 3 to power 2 plus log 3 to power 2 divided by log 3 to power 2. So let's proceed. Now you have 2x is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3. And then we divide both sides by 2, okay? So that now the value of x, okay, is equal to half plus, okay, plus 3 over 4 log 2 to base 3. Now this is the value of x. Now let's check if this value of x actually satisfies the equation as follows. Let's verify that the value of x, which is half plus 3 over 4 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Alright? Now, if you recall, we had that 9 to power x multiplied by 9 to power x, this should give us a value of 72. Okay? Now, from what we have here, this is the same thing as 9 to power 2x. This is equal to 72. Okay? Now, substituting the value of x, we'll have 9 raised to power 2. Substituting the value of x, we'll have 9 to power 2 into the parentheses half plus 3 over 4 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Okay? Now, you can see here, 2 and 2 simplify, so that we'll have 9 to power 1 plus, now we simplify again here, plus 3 over 2 log 2, okay, to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Now, from what we have here, 9 to the power 1 plus 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3, this is actually in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which you can express as 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m. Now, let's apply this property so that we'll have 9 to the power 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Okay? So this is the same thing as 9 multiplied by, now 9 raised to the power 3 over 2, we can express 9 as 3 to the power 2, okay? So let's substitute this 9 with 3 over 2. So this is 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 over 4, that is 3 over 2, sorry, log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72, okay? So let me write this one as 9 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Okay. We have 9 to the power 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3. This is equal to 72. Now, as you can see, we can express 9 as 3 raised to the power 2. Alright? Now let's substitute this. We'll have 9 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 log 3, that is 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Now from what we have here, this is 9 to the power 1 multiplied by, now this 2 and 2 simplifies, we'll have 3 raised to the power 3 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Okay, so this is 9 multiplied by, now 3 raised to the power 3 log 2 to base 3. This is the same thing as 3 raised to the power log 2 raised to the power 3 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Okay, now 3 raised to the power log 2 to the power 3 to base 3. This is in the form of m raised to the power log a to base m, which is basically equal to a. Okay, so from what we have here, 3 raised to the power log 2 to the power 3 to base 3. This is the same thing as 2 to the power 3. And 2 to the power 3, this is equal to 8. Now let's substitute this back to the equation. We'll have 9, okay, multiplied by 8. This should give us a value of 72. And 9 times 8, this is actually 72. And it's true that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, okay? And that actually affirms that the value of x, which is a half plus 3 over 4 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.